So CBSE exercise 6.2 question number 4 class 10 in figure 6.19, this is your 6.19 figure DE, this is your DE parallel AC, this is your AC parallel DE parallel AC, and DF, this is your DF parallel AE. So you have to prove BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. So let us prove it. Very important question. So now take in triangle ABE, triangle ABE, that is ABE, and triangle DBF and triangle DBF. In two triangles ABE and in triangle DBF, this angle is equal to this angle. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because they are corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle here DF, this is your parallel line, DF is a straight line and parallel line of the DF is AE, and BA is the transverse, this is BA is the transverse, therefore this angle must be equal to this angle since they are corresponding angle. AE, this AE and DF, two are parallel line, this is a transversal, AB is the transversal, therefore angle 1 must be equal to 1, 2 corresponding angle. Again this angle, suppose this is angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because they are also corresponding angle. Here DF is parallel to AE and BC is the transversal, therefore angle 4 is equal to angle 3 because they are corresponding angle. So therefore triangle ABE similar triangle DBF, ABE similar DBF. As they are similar triangle, therefore we can write BD by DA is equal to BF by EF, FE or EF, BF by FE or EF. Okay. So this is suppose equation 1. Now take two triangles, triangles BAC and another triangles is another triangle is DBE. In triangle BAC and in triangle BDE, here DE is parallel to AC, therefore we can write this angle. Suppose this is angle 5 is equal to angle 6 because they are angle 5 angle 5 is equal to angle 6 because they are corresponding angle. Here angle 5, this angle 5 is equal to angle 6. This angle is equal to 5 is equal to angle 6. Okay. Similarly, here DE is parallel to AC. Therefore, angle D means this angle 6 suppose is equal to here angle 7. Angle 6 is equal to angle 7. Both are this 6, 7 and 5, 6 are corresponding angle. These two are corresponding angle equal, and these two 6, 7 are corresponding angle. 6 is equal to 7 and 5 is equal to 6. Okay. So suppose this is a 6, 6. Suppose this is 7, this is 8. This is 7, this is 8. Okay. Angle 5 is equal to 6. They are corresponding angle, and let's see 7 is equal to 8. They are also corresponding angle. Therefore, two triangles, since two angles are equal, this angle equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, triangle BAC similar triangle DBE. Since two triangles are similar, therefore side of the corresponding which will be equal. The ratio of the corresponding side will be equal. That is BD by BDA is equal to here BE. BD by BA is equal to BE by EC. Suppose this is equation 2. Now in equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal, their left hand side is equal, therefore right hand side must be equal. Therefore from equation 1 and 2 we can write here BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. BE by EC. Here BF by FE, BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. Proved. So very important question. So first you will take two triangles BDF and BAE and prove two triangles are similar. Then you will take BDE and BAC. Two triangles are similar. From there you can prove it. Okay. So very important question. Next question.